it's hard or easy. This is a big hill. It's still going up. Like we're kind of walking up a mountain. A straight up mountain. Like this is gonna be a wild tour at the top, Mom. I'm already kind of tired. We have to walk a giant hill. Come on. Nobody's coming. So you all can already tell we are not on our bikes today. So we're gonna like erase this and we're gonna go on the side that says hikers. And we are also looking for the blue up on the trees. I thought about there. What are we waiting for? Come on. So as you can see, we are on a real mountain. As you can see, we're like 100 feet up in the air right now. If we were like aiming it like that, it would look like at least 200 feet up. Let's go. Let's keep going. We were just walking and we thought this would be pretty cool to see. This trail I goes onto the trail. So like it's great to climb. It's like really great to climb. Ooh! Mom, keep videoing until we're up here. That's also kind of cool. This is solid. Ooh. Right here. Me and Piper went on the trail, and this trail's already so difficult, but this is even more difficult. I mean, you have to walk up a hill full of rocks, and we had to walk down this really steep hill, and it's already really hard. I think it might get harder. And this trail is 2.5 hours, and it closes at 6 p.m. Do you think we're gonna make it? We went through the tree, but now how do we get back in? I'm gonna try my way. My parents did a really dangerous way. Like, I mean, they put us like all the way down the hill. Now I'm trying to get over it. Yeah, I don't know. Wait, I know why. That hurts my arms a little. So I'm gonna do exactly what I did. And I'm gonna go this way. I don't know. Would this work? Ah! Until next time. By the way, we only did 1 hour of the trail before the park closes. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.